Have you been annoyed by the Sysfer Library DLL pop-up ruining your productivity? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist. Let's analyze Symantec Application dependency and restore that missing file. Before diving into the Sysfer library technical steps, check the description for a tool to help synchronize your library paths. This is the Sysfer library, the Symantec Endpoint Protection System Ferret Injection Module. It provides unmanaged routines for monitoring system behavior, facilitating the security data link for enterprise manifests. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. This error commonly appears when Symantec application files are missing or corrupted. Reinstall the official version of Symantec Application to repair the application and replace Sysfer Library DLL. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Sysfer library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Technical warning: many online file mirrors provide versions of Sysfer Library DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally modified, putting your privacy at risk without resolving the underlying execution error. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. If library alerts are present, the system resource below offers informational guidance on managing Sysfer library dependencies. To keep Sysfer library running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.